Hello, my name is Patrick Liddy. Thank you so much for the opportunity to participate in the lab, work with the team in TFW, and present to you today. UtilityAR is a company that builds augmented reality, smarter training solutions. We're doing this because we believe we now live in a digital and remote working age. As office workers, we have access to all sorts of useful tools to help us get our job done. And we're building the tools to help workers get their job done when they're in the field. 75% of organizations are already embracing this change, providing their workers in the field with tools to help them become connected. Our goal is to provide workers with the information they need to get their job done. It should be relevant to the specific asset that they're working on. It should be located in a position where they can see it, leaving them hands-free to get their job done, and it should be presented to them at the time that they need it. UtilityAR is already working with over 80 companies around the world, mostly in pharmaceutical and manufacturing spaces. This is our first chance to work with a transport company, and we've learned a lot and gained a lot from the experience. So what exactly is augmented reality and smart glasses? Well, augmented reality smart glasses, different from virtual reality glasses, are transparent, like safety glasses. A worker who wears them sees the real world really as it is. The second thing is within their vision, they can see digital information superimposed on the glass or on a small screen within their vision, allowing them to see information as well as seeing the real world. Thirdly, they generally have a forward-facing camera. That means they can scan what you're looking at and make the information that you're seeing contextually relevant. So you're looking at the right information, where you need it at the right time. Finally, with that forward-facing camera, you can also do interesting things like video calling. At the beginning of the process, we listened and we spoke with TFW staff to understand what are the major challenges the organization is facing. That is to say, significant and ambitious organizational growth, increasingly complex mix of trains and related equipment to be maintained and ultimately trained on how to work. We're seeing more and more staff churn as workers no longer see jobs as a job for life, but rather move from one position to another. This ultimately leads to a loss of tacit knowledge within any organization. There is a challenge hiring experienced workers, and those workers who come in need more training than ever before. And there's an increased responsibility on the organization to maintain good training records. We believe that smart glasses and our software can play a major part in helping TFW meet these challenges. In the picture here, you see Philip Blaney from TFW's training department viewing a piece of real TFW content, showing him how to do a particular step in this maintenance task. He's viewing this as he actually stands on a TFW train. Thanks so much to Philip and to Rowan for providing us with this content. So how this works is Philip can look at a QR code on a particular asset, and that will automatically show him the correct video on how to do a particular procedure on this asset. He then clicks through step by step how exactly he can do this task, viewing short 5 or 10-second videos or images showing him how to do it. As he goes, he can take photos and images if he wishes to validate exactly what he's done. Excitingly, the exact same content that he can view on glasses is also available to him on his mobile phone or tablet. Also, the system gathers information on what training tasks have been done by which workers, improving the organization's record keeping in this area. Here we see Philip again, wearing the glasses, and we can see what he's seeing. He's looking at a piece of equipment on the train. A colleague elsewhere in the world can see exactly the same live video being transmitted by Philip and can draw annotations on what exactly he wants Philip to look at specifically. They can speak to each other, and indeed many colleagues can join the call if required. This is a very exciting way to solve problems and troubleshoot issues without workers having to travel to site to provide their expertise. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks to Philip and Rowan for helping us get the content and provide a real-life experience for the workers in TFW, and hope to speak to you again soon.